right idea where we're going, but other than that, we're kind of just sending it. There's semi-trucks and tumbleweeds on the ground, and there's 45-mile-an-hour winds. The journey's going great. This is my jam. This is my jam right here. I like this shit. Shout out to our sponsor, Bang, dude. They sponsor us for this video. I have a root. I have a blue tongue! Is this yellow? Ah, I just got banged in my No. Alright, pit stop number one. Pit stop number one. We stopped at Wyoming, something like that, trading post. I don't know what Alex was doing in there. Alright, ready?
Oh, my door,
Alright, can we make this quick? Because this is sketchy, dude. Radioactive pollution kills. It's time to clean up the Let's go. Oh my god, is this a basketball hoop, dude? Is that a ball up? Yeah, a little cold. Hold on. Alex almost just racked himself in the street. I'm going back there. Let's see it, boy. I don't know what that is. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. So fun. Oh my god. I need like a knife. Can I have a weapon? Is there a weapon? Yeah, that's a shower caddy. That's Dude, there's a bunch of crazy ass sounds in here.
I know, I'm getting that.
Let's go. Okay, now let's go. I'm done, dude. Alright, so on our journey, we're about, what do you say, 60 miles in?
96.
We're 90, holy shit, really? Alright, we're 96 miles in, and we have about 700 more to go. Alright, so we did get pulled over.
I don't want to talk about it.
Somehow this kid got a warning.
We're on 65 now, boys.
We are in Marble Canyon. Where are we at?
I don't really know.
Marble Canyon.
Marble Canyon.
God,
Marble.
damn it. It's a rave, dude, out here in Marble fucking nowhere. Bottles of beer, take one down, pass it around, 69 bucks.
Anything that happens or anything that doesn't, I just wanna see my team turn to something other than the.
Alright, welcome to Utah, boys. We made it to Utah, and now we are like, what? How many miles out from Salt Lake? So we're 170 miles out from Salt Lake. We're gonna stop in Salt Lake and like kick it around a little bit, you know, maybe like
walk around.
Yeah, we're gonna walk around. Yeah, we'll vlog that, take some pics, go check out some luxury cars or some shit. There's a cool dealership there. And then we'll let you know. Some logic. Alright, so we made it to the White House. No kidding. So we made it to the White House, boys. Oh my god, dude, what is this place? What's up, dude? This is MTV. Welcome to my crib. I have it locked up right now because I'm about to go get some grub, but it's pretty chill, you know? It's a nice day. Work hard, play hard, you feel?
As soon as we got out of the car in Salt Lake City, Utah, the first thing we heard someone say is, "That's some dank chronic if you guys want to buy some."
I didn't see that, but
nah,
this is insane, dude.
Gay rush.
This is. Anyway, sorry. This is nuts. Right now it is 28 degrees. It's pretty cold outside. The sun. We left at 4 o'clock, and we are arriving somewhere around like 8. So we've been on the road for, what is that? How many hours is that?
That's 16.
We've been driving for 16 hours. This is nuts.
I've
been in the passenger seat. Hey, I've been a good co-pilot. I haven't slept. I didn't sleep. I slept for like 15 minutes on accident. I woke myself up and I was like, dude, we're gonna run this. I've been a good co-pilot. Usually co-pilots would slump and then we could.
You made me go the wrong way.
I did make him go the wrong way, but it was like a learning experience kind of thing, you know? Dude, this road's sketchy and we're 2-wheel drive. Alright, well, when we show up, I'll let you guys know. Peace out. We ordered an Airbnb and we found out that there's actually someone else staying here. The owner is staying with us at the Airbnb. He's pretty chill though, he's pretty chill. We stole his dog though. We came with a dog. What's up, dude? What's up, dude? Lincoln. You fucking don't like me, do you? It's that season, dude. It's Rona season.
What's up, bro?
It's a rough day.
Little snowy out there?
Yeah, forecast a little cold. My crispy whip's a little short for the pow. My lips are frozen. But it was a great day.
Alright.
Good day.
To end the vlog of the Wyoming trip, here we got Kobe. He got hit with a shovel in Wyoming, dude.